Arguments and parameters in functions. Arguments and parameters in functions. Parameters are the variable names within the function definition. Arguments are the values that passed in the function that is called. Let's see how. Open brackets. I will show you how to use arguments and parameters. So I will create a function called name, and its parameters will be if name, first name, and name means last name. So type def names parenthesis if name comma name colon. Then your block of code such as print string your first name is plus if name, and another code is print string your last name is plus name. You actually can put as many codes as you need in the function. So in the main program, out of the function, call the function name. Just type its name parenthesis and its arguments are John comma Doe. So the values that are inside the function names are called arguments because you pass the values in the function to function parameter or function definition in the top. Also, it's very important to follow the order of arguments, which is the first name if name and last name name. Alright, anyways, now try the code in terminal. Alright, pretty cool. Everything works like what I explained. Thank you very much.